Mr. Zimmerman, and today we're going to look at this ugly fraction expression where most of you were probably like, oh, not doing it. So let's go ahead and dive in and handle how to distribute fractions if they occur. All right, so now this is just a simple sort. I really want you to just kind of highlight this problem by identifying the number of terms and words. Really, all that's going on is I have this big chunk of information, this one thing, and I am going to be distributing it to all of the terms inside here. 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, or terms. These are all words in a math sentence. So really, all I'm doing is multiplying one complicated thing, and I'm going to distribute it to each part. Now, each part is going to require a delicate balance. I have to keep track of my variables while at the same time handling this fraction. So let's go ahead and start the first part. I have to multiply 1/4 times 8. I'm going to start with the coefficients. To process this, I have to remember that 8 as a denominator of 1, and then when I multiply it, I can get 8 over 4 by just going 1 times 8 is 8, 4 times 1 is 4. I can also use the method to cross cancel to get, both 4 and 8 share a 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. What's 1 times 2? 2. Both ways get me to my answer. So I know that this first coefficient is going to be 2. Now this is just a matter of counting my x's. I have x squared and x squared. I have 4 x's total. I have how many y's? There's 1 there, 2 there, for a total of 3. 4, how many z's? 2 here, none in this term, 2 z's. Voila! Now this is just repeat on site. I'm going to go ahead and now do 1/4, and I have to multiply by the coefficient, which is 4. I know it has 1. Now I can see that 1 times 4 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, and that's going to result in a quotient of 1. Or using the cross cancel method, you can immediately notice that these cross each other out. So my coefficient is going to be 1. What type of 1? Positive 1. Now I have to count. How many x's? 2 and none in here. So x squared. How many y's? 1, 2, 3. How many z's? 1 here, 2 here, z to the 3. Now the final thing I need to do is multiply 1/4, and I have to multiply it by 12. 12 has a denominator of 1. 12 times 1 is 12 over 4, which is 12 divided by 4 is 3. I could have also used my cross cancel method. 4 cancels to 1. What's 12 divided by 4? 3. 1 times 3 is 3. No matter what the road I get there, okay, now that I have a little room, what is it? It's 3. What type of 3? Positive 3. And then there's no letters, so I'm going to rewrite all of these. I'm taking my time making sure that I don't accidentally write the wrong exponent. And voila, Although it might look more complicated, technically this is simplified.